Are you searching for the best rivet nut tool? In this video, we will look at the 5 best rivet nut tool, which save you time and money. Number 1. ZENHOSIT Hand-Threaded Rivet Nuts Gun, 100 PCS Rivet Nut Hand-Threaded Rivet Nuts Gun BT606M3M4M5M6M8 Double Insert Manual Riveter Gun Riveting Rivet Rivet Tool.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. HIFESON Hand-Threaded Rivet Nut Gun. The gun head and handle are made of high-quality carbon steel, can withstand greater work strength, and provide corrosion protection to make it more durable. Working principle: tighten the rivet nut, put the nut into the hole, riveted the nut into place, exit the riveting gun after the riveting is completed, the work is fastened.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. ALLSOME BT603 Manual Riveter Gun. Features: handle adopt the thickening high carbon steel plate to production, energy saving design of bending health, spare parts after high temperature treatments, strong and practical, handle with ergonomic design, comfortable don't skid, manual rotation back device, save time and effort, quick and convenient.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. JERBOR Rivet Nut Guns. Useful: riveted riveting nut helps you attach the rivets to your rivet, making it easier to remove the rivets from your gun. Reliable quality: these riveted riveting nuts are made of zinc alloy, which is sturdy and durable, not easy to break or deform, can serve you for a long time. Excellent item. Riveted nut is a great gift for gun collectors, hobbyists, and collectors alike. It's a must-have item in your collection.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. HIFESON Hand-Threaded Rivet Nuts Guns. Hand-Threaded Rivet Nuts Guns Riveter of Sleeve Nuts Rivet Tool for Auto Hand Riveter Manual Rivet Tools.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.